As product design continues to evolve, there is an ever-increasing pressure to produce safer, more efficient, and better performing products in a fraction of the time. These often opposing goals mean engineers need to be able to analyze and predict behavior of their systems faster than ever before. One of the most popular methods for simulating system behavior is the use of 1D computational fluid dynamics. These tools, such as Flomaster from Mentor Siemens business, allow for the evaluation of thermofluid systems from the early design phase all the way through to verification and validation. If you're like many design teams and constructs 3D CAD models of your system in tools such as NX, Solid Edge, CATIA, or Creo, the information to construct a 1D model is already available. By using an automated process to prepare the Flomaster model, you can streamline the design workflow and eliminate up to 95% of the model preparation time. This is where the new CAD2FM tool can push your productivity ahead of your competition. Processing the 3D geometry directly inside your CAD tool of choice means you don't need to learn another CAE tool for model preparation. Once you're ready to bring the model into Flomaster, it's simply saved in the database and can be used for any number of different system designs, with all of the geometry and connectivity already defined. And as the system matures, it is possible to simply re-import any updated system designs from the 3D geometry, ensuring you're always working on the most up-to-date model versions, delivering analysis results in time to make a real difference in your design.